Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is optical instruments, in which the first topic we are having the simple microscope. What I have taken, simple microscope is a convex lens of short focal length in which the image can be magnified of small object, and it is also called a magnifying glass or simple microscope. It is based on the principle that we have to keep our object between the optical center and the principal focus, and we know that when a ray is going parallel to principal axis, it will pass through the principal focus, and if the ray is going through optical center, it will go undeviated outside. Now, our main purpose is to meet the rays, because to form the image there is a need to meet the rays after refraction. But here the rays are not meeting, they are getting diverged. Rays यहाँ से क्या हो रही है, diverge हो रही है. But howsoever we need to meet the images. So what we will do, we will produce them backward, and when we are producing them backward, at that point the rays will get meet, and we will join that point where the rays are meeting towards the principal axis, and here they will form a virtual image. Virtual means the rays are not actually meeting, the rays are just appearing to meet. So this image is called the virtual image. Now we need to find the magnifying power. Basically, what is the magnifying power? It is a ratio of angle. It is a ratio of angle subtended by image divided by angle subtended by object. Clear? This is the ratio of angle subtended by image to the angle subtended by object, and we know here angle beta and here angle alpha. Just see the diagram carefully. Here I have taken an object, so I just constructed a point over here Q, which I have joined with this optical center. So this is our object. For object I have drawn this angle alpha, as our image is forming over here. So for image I made angle beta, which is here. Beta is from this point to this, and alpha is small because our object is small. Now we will find the magnifying power. So these angles are very small, so I can take as tan beta and tan alpha also, and we know the trigonometric ratios. By applying those we can find the tan alpha. For tan alpha, as you can see, the angle alpha is between, or the angle is, this angle alpha is in the triangle, right angle triangle CA dash Q. This triangle is for the right angle CA dash Q. So we will write downward here A, B. So what we are having, CA dash Q means this CA dash Q. This is our angle alpha. For angle alpha we have right angle triangle CA dash Q. So for CA dash Q means, and we know tan, for tan we know this trick, sine, cos, tan. For tan, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is A dash Q, and base is, we have to take the distance from the optical center. So the base is A dash C. A dash Q upon C A dash. Now we know that A dash Q is equal to AB. We can take these distances equal. So A dash Q is equal to AB, and सी ए डैश इज इक्वल टू सी ए डैश. ए डैश क्यू की जगह मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ, ए बी डैश. आई कैन राइट एज द ए बी ओनली, एंड ए बी की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट होगी, नॉट ए बी डैश, ए बी. अब टैन बीटा की वैल्यू फिल करनी है. टैन बीटा के लिए हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, फॉर टैन बीटा ऑल्सो आई कैन टेक द ट्राइंगल सी ए बी. अब सी ए बी, दिस ट्राइंगल सी ए बी के लिए जो ट्रायंगल सी ए बी ट्रायंगल हम किसके लिए ले रहे हैं, बीटा के लिए. एंड वी कैन फाइंड इजली, वी नो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस एंड परपेंडिकुलर ओवर हेयर इज ए बी. परपेंडिकुलर हमारा ए बी है, बेस क्या है, सी ए. सो आई हैव दिस रिलेशन ए बी अपॉन सी ए. tan alpha we got, tan beta we got. We'll put these two equation over here. So AB upon CA, AB upon CA dash. This AB will get cancelled by AB and we'll be left with CA dash upon CA. And CA dash distance of image, which I can take as D, and CA is the object distance here, this distance. CA is the object distance which I can take as U. We know according to length formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So image is forming on the left hand side, we will get minus D. Object always we take as in negative, so this will become in positive 1 upon U minus 1 upon D. What we'll do? We'll do multiplication both side by this image distance, capital D. So I'll get, this term will get over here on the left hand side, and when it will go on the left hand side, it will become positive. So I'll get 1 plus D upon F is equal to D upon U. As we know, D upon U we found for magnifying power. So I'll put this M is equal to 1 plus D upon F. So this is a particular relation for the simple microscope.